Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for AT&T. The report was first published on our website April 11, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about AT&T for the upcoming trading day on Tuesday 12th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current AT&T performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the AT&T stock currently holds a minus 4.107 score, and our system has ranked AT&T sell candidates since April 11, 2022. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for AT&T, our last headline reads, "Is AT&T Inc. stock still a buy after falling minus 18.72% on Monday?" The AT&T Inc. stock price fell by minus 18.72% on the last day, Monday, April 11, 2022, from $24.14 to $19.62. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.88% from a day low at $18.85 to a day high of $19.77. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by minus 17.8% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 93 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 148 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.90 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $33.88, and the lowest price was $18.85. Right now the price is 42.09%, or $14.26, below 52-week high and 55.3%, or $24.27, below all-time high July 5, 2016 where the price hit $43.89. The AT&T stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend down. Firstly, a stronger fall rate is indicated, but false breaks and sell-off may occur. However, a further fall is realistic and any reactions back to the breaking point, $21.42, are considered to be a second chance to get out. According to the fan theory, $18.92 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is far too early to say this for certain. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 11.91% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 1.25% and 12.47%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 24.05% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 18.95% and 3.66%. This equals a price between $15.90 and $20.34 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, AT&T stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the AT&T stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for AT&T. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The AT&T Inc. stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $23.37 and $23.46. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, April 4, 2022, and so far it has fallen -18.86%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 51 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 47 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for AT&T. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the stock moved 92 cents between high and low, or 4.88%. For the last week the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.6%. The stock has a beta of 0.65. This tells us that AT&T is minus 0.35 times less volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for AT&T. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. AT&T currently has a price-earning ratio of 8.39. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2022 is expected to be released April 21, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are 79 cents. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, AT&T meets first resistance at $23.19. If you do not hold AT&T shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $19.06, $18.84, $18.49. Sell at $19.76, $19.98, $20.33. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for AT&T is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On March 31, 2022, Desroches Pascal made an inside buy of 16,795,386 of common stock. On March 31, 2022, Lee Lori M made an inside buy of 1,980,534 of common stock. On March 31, 2022, Huntley David S made an inside buy of 3,875,242 of common stock. On March 31, 2022, McElfresh Jeffrey S made an inside buy of 880,237 of common stock. On March 31, 2022, McAtee David R2 made an inside buy of 1,716,462 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 6.145. In total, the insiders bought 16,004,004,372 and sold 14,126,550,518 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.